Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to fix the Bangla font issue in Kali Linux, especially if you are using Kali Purple or other latest Kali version. By default, Kali doesn't support Bangla font properly, so when you open a Bangla website or a document like Jamuna TV, it's a Bangla news portal. Then you see broken or weird character instead the readable text. So the solution is super simple. Just open your terminal and run this command. Sudo apt I made mistake. Okay. Okay. Once the installation is complete, reboot your system. Okay. So now, and this it after reboot your system will support fully Bangla font rendering. See. Yes. Here is a quick before and after. You see the reference. Now everything looks clean and readable in Bangla font. If this tutorial helped you out, then like, share and subscribing for getting more Linux tips and tutorial. Also get another problem you want to solve, drop in it the comment. Happy hacking. Thank you everyone.